In today's episode, we're making anabolic banana cake. This cake is low in calories, high in protein, and will help you lose weight. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. And in this channel, we're going to be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that's going to help you lose weight. And we're also going to be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and basically be doing anything that has to do with fitness. So if you're into those type of videos, please accept my invitation to subscribe so you will be the first to be notified every time we'll bring out a new recipe. Alright. Okay guys, this is how any diet works, including the anabolic diet. And all you have to do is be in a calorie deficit to lose the fat and eat enough protein so you won't lose muscle or maybe even build some muscle while losing the fat. And that is pretty much it. And that's how you lose the weight. Okay guys, as for ingredients and macros, don't worry about anything like that. It could have oil, sugar, butter, or lard, whatever. As long as the calories don't go over your maintenance calories, you will not gain any weight. Okay guys, for example, if your maintenance calories is 3,000 calories a day with 200 grams of protein, and one of my meals is 700 calories with 60 grams of protein, you could eat 4 of those meals a day, lose weight, you're gonna hit your protein goal, and you're gonna eat good. Alright. Okay guys, in today's episode, we're helping you lose weight by eating anabolic banana cake. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first thing is first, get a food scale ready with the bowl. Alright. For our first ingredient, we're going to need 38 grams of vanilla whey protein, guys. Remember, 38 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 38 grams, okay? Alright. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 25 grams of all-purpose flour. Remember guys, 25 grams. Alright, let's get to the next step. Remember guys, 25 grams, okay? Oh, that's too much. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 18 grams of coconut flour. Remember guys, 18 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 18 grams, okay? Okay. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 12 grams of baking powder. Remember guys, 12 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 12 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 14 grams of banana cream JELLO pudding mix. Remember guys, 14 grams. All right, let's go. Remember guys, 14 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need a dash of salt. Remember guys, a dash of salt. Remember, a dash of salt. All right. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 10 grams of sweetener. Remember guys, 10 grams. All right, let's go. Remember, 10 grams of sweetener. Alright guys, for our next step, all we're going to do is mix the ingredients well and give it a mix before we put our wet ingredients. Okay guys? Okay, we are finished mixing. It should look similar to that. Alright guys, let's get to the next step. For our next ingredient, we're going to need 140 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. Remember, 140 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 140 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need 140 grams of egg whites. Remember guys, 140 grams. Remember guys, 140 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're going to need 50 grams of applesauce, unsweetened. Remember guys, 50 grams. Alright, let's go. Remember guys, 50 grams, okay? Okay guys, for our next step, all we gotta do is mix everything well. And alright, see you guys right now. Okay, when we're done mixing, it should look like that guys. Look how, oh my god, you should taste this batter. It tastes so bomb. For our next step, get a cake pan and get oil spray and spray it, okay guys? So it won't stick, okay? Next, we're gonna pour our batter in there. And don't forget to preheat your oven for 350 degrees, okay guys? Alright guys, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, put this in the oven for 350 degrees for 22 to 24 minutes. Okay guys, see you guys in 22 to 24 minutes. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, while that is baking, let's start doing our frosting. we're gonna need 170 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. Remember, 170 grams. All right, let's go. All right, guys, remember 170 grams, okay? All right, let's go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 10 grams of sweetener. Remember, guys, 10 grams. All right, let's go. Remember, guys, 10 grams of sweetener, okay? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 14 grams of sugar-free JELLO cheesecake. All right, get this one. I know the regular one with the regular sugar has almost the same calories, but it doesn't work that good. This one works really, really good, and the other one doesn't even taste good. Remember, guys, 14 grams, okay? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 6 grams of vanilla. Remember, about 6 grams. All right, let's go. Remember, about 6 grams, okay? Okay guys, all we gotta do is mix well, and all right, let's go. Okay guys, look at that. Keep mixing it well. The more you mix it, the better it gets. Okay guys. All right guys, we're looking like that. I just mixed it. I mixed it for a while, so just keep mixing it. Okay guys, if you think it's mixed enough, mix it a little bit more, and watch, you're gonna start seeing it forming more thicker. Okay guys, it just came out of the oven. It took 24 minutes this time. At my friend's house it took 22, so it all depends on your house and your oven and whatever. Alright guys, we're gonna let this bad boy sit for 40 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, check it in 40 minutes, and alright, see you guys in 40 minutes. Alright guys, look at our cake. It's a banana cake. We're just gonna put our frosting on, try it out, and alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, all we have to do is just coat our cake, and that's it. And I'll see you guys right now. Just spread it evenly. It's a pretty thick coat, so all right, see you guys right now. Just spread everything evenly, guys, throughout the top of the cake, and we got ourselves a banana anabolic cake, guys. Okay, this is our cake right there. It's already decorated pretty good. Let's cut it, try it out, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, let's go. Alright guys, look at this cake right here. Let's try it out. I already cut it in 4 pieces. I usually cut it in 8, but I'm gonna get 2 pieces, so I'm just gonna cut it in 4. But yeah, I'm gonna give you the macros for 8 and then the whole piece. And alright, let's try this bad boy out. Alright guys, let's try this bad boy out. Look at this cake right there. Banana cake. Anabolic banana cake. Alright guys. Okay guys, taste test time. Let's get this bad boy out. Let's try a piece. Alrighty. Oh shoot, came. It's good. Man, guys, look at that right there. That's cake right there. Alright guys, let's try another piece right there. Watch this. Look at that right there, guys. That is really delicious cake. Try this bad boy out. Oh my god. Do you guys like Twinkies? You're gonna love this. This is one of my favorite cakes now. It's up there with, oh my god. I can't believe this is a diet, guys. Look at this right there. I'm gonna take another bite. This thing is so delicious, guys. This cake is so delicious. Look at that. Oh wow. Guys, this banana cake is to diet for, and we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. I'm replacing the chicken dinners with anabolic banana cake. All right. Okay guys, to the macros. If you did it exactly like me and you ate the whole cake, and I know you will, this recipe is bomb, believe me guys. If you eat the whole thing, it's only 665 calories, 68 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, 6 grams of fiber, and 84 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Alright guys, if you cut this cake in 8 pieces and you just ate 1 piece, it's only 84 calories a piece. But this recipe is gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just won't be able to eat 1. And if you just ate 1, it's because you did it wrong. Guys, if your maintenance calories is 3,000 calories a day, you could eat 4 of these cakes in a day, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna hit your protein goal, and you're gonna be eating cake, man. I guess you can have your cake and you can eat it too. You can actually eat 4. Alright guys, make this recipe. I know you'll love this recipe, but I know one thing that you like more than this recipe, and that's losing weight while eating banana cake. Alright guys, comment below how much weight you guys started to lose by eating these recipes, and I'll write to everyone back. Okay guys, these recipes do take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. If you do want to support the channel, I do have this recipe in my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you guys want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Alright guys, remember, till next time, always try and subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, many out.